Hello, my name is Charlie Blundell. We are going to be doing a softball skill, and the skill we're going to be doing is the underhand softball throw. I'm going to break it up in a few steps with a few tips after each step. I'm going to move out of the way so Maddie can demonstrate, and I will be doing the voiceover. Step 1, the secret. You'll notice there are laces on the softball, and you're going to be lining your fingertips along the laces on the softball with enough space to fit 2 fingers underneath of your hand. That's where you are using your fingertips. Step 2, arm placement. You're going to be using both of your arms for this throw. Our body is going to be a clock for this example. One arm is going to be at 9 o'clock, while the other one is going to be at 3 o'clock. You're going to be straightening them out towards the floor when you go to start your throw. And for this example, we're also going to be using our chest towards the target for this throw. Step 3, the actual throw. We're going to stand up straight, drop both arms so they meet at 6 o'clock in the middle, and you're going to release the ball when your arms meet. Step 4, your feet. You're going to be standing a little bit more than shoulder width apart with your chest facing forward. All you want to do is take a normal step forward with your front foot while your arms are moving, and then the follow through. After you release the ball, it's okay if your arms are a little bit past 6 o'clock. Our legs and our chest should follow through the ball, and then here's going to be a full example of the throw.